Okay, so I can actually hear this storm coming. I can hear it in the distance. Oh. Oh god, I just saw that horse in the fields running. There's some fields behind those houses across the road, and there's a horse. I just saw it running. My mum's boyfriend just walked up the drive. I guess he's just got home from work. God. Yeah, I could hear this coming. I was on my laptop and I could hear like a sound in the distance. It wasn't thunder. I mean, I heard a couple of things of thunder, but it was like the sound of the hail coming down, but distant. I could see it coming, so I put the camera up. It looks like snow. Oh. This is quite a bad storm. And it sounds like hailstones and it looks like hail. If you look at them close, like, I don't know if you can make out like the pellets and stuff, but it looks like snow the way it's on the ground. Which is odd seeing as it's the end of April. The way it's coming down there looks like there is some snow in it. Which again, it's the end of April. Yeah, I can't really see out this window now. Because it's just like droplets all down it. This is quite bad though. I can hear sirens, that's not a good sign. Just open my window a bit more. My bedroom window has been open continuously for about 5 days, so. Okay, siren stopped. Wow. I think it's starting to slow down. I mean, I haven't seen any lightning for a couple of minutes now. But yeah, that does look like there's some snow in it. Which... They're talking about me. It seems to be slowing up now. My mum's talking about wipes, what you use when you go to the toilet, as I'm filming, of course. But yeah, it seems to be slowing. Oh. Oh. It just came in. It doesn't feel hard, it does feel like snow. So, I know the moment I finish filming there'll be more thunder, but I think this is a good time to end this. So.